students, myself Jignesh Chadba, and I welcome you all along with my colleagues to the introduction of basic engineering drawing subject. First of all, students, what is the basic engineering drawing? Let us understand by an example. Suppose I have a thought and idea in my mind to manufacture a car, but I want to manufacture that car in some other country by some other person. So friends, how can I communicate my thoughts and ideas which are in my mind to that other person of other country? Should I call him and explain my idea? What should be the length of the car, what should be the width of the car, and what should be the color of the car? Friends, is it possible? No friends, it is not possible. If I explain the specification of the car, it is not possible to understand it completely. For that, I require some media, some language to communicate my thought to that particular person. For that, I require this subject, basic engineering drawing. Basic engineering drawing is a universal language of engineers to share ideas and thoughts which are in my mind to another technical person. Friends, why we require to study this subject? जो भी चीज आप आपके सराउंडिंग में देख रहे हैं, वो भी किसी के माइंड का थॉट था, जो उसने अपने माइंड से बेसिक इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग की हेल्प लेके पेपर पर ड्रॉ किया और बाद में उसी ड्राइंग का यूज करके उसका मैन्युफैक्चरिंग हुआ. Apart from this, there are several other applications of this subject. That is why this subject is offered in different engineering disciplines like mechanical engineering, automobile engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering, and architecture assistance, etc.
Hello students, my name is Chintan Joshi. Let us discuss where do we implement engineering drawing, or rather I should say applications of basic engineering drawing. In mechanical engineering discipline, it is mostly used for component design. As you can see in this illustration, we have front view, top view and sectional view of a quarter knuckle joint. Don't get startled, we are not going to draw this quarter knuckle joint right away. We will start with something very basic such as cuboid. Then we will take front view, top view and one of the side views of the cuboid. In civil engineering sector, it is used to make floor plans of the building. As you can see in this illustration, we have a fully defined floor plan, which means all the necessary dimensions required to illustrate the feature of building is present. In automobile sector, besides the component design, various engineering curves are used to make the profile of the car aerodynamically stable. Next up, various drawing instruments that we are going to use in engineering drawing in order to ease the drawing procedure. In this subject, we will learn to use drawing board, drawing paper, pins, clips, adhesive tape, pencils, T-square, set square, scale, mini drafter, roller scale, protractor, French curve, compass and eraser.
Hello student, I am Ramesh Kumar Chorosia. Now I am going to talk about content of this subject. First is drawing instrument and next is planning, layout and scaling. After that we learned about line, letter and dimensioning, and then geometric construction. After that engineering curves. In drawing instrument list, we learned about how to use drawing instrument in proper way. Next topic is planning. Before we start the drawing, we should plan what we are going to do, how you are going to make best use of the space. Try to make maximum use of available space. For layout, we should follow a standard layout of drawing sheet, which should facilitate an identification of drawings. That is called margin line. and we should also draw the title block inside the margin line. And for scaling, we draw the large size object on drawing sheet. We have to reduce the object in fixed ratio, which is called representative fraction. And to draw the small size object, we have to enlarge the object in proper ratio. To take the proper representative fraction is called scaling. Next, for line, we learned about different types of line and use of these lines. If we talk about letter writing, we should write the letter alphabet and numbers in proper way on the drawing sheet. Important topic is dimensioning. It is a numeric value used to define the size of drawings. There are two types of dimensioning. One is a line system and second is unidirectional system. Next one is geometric construction. It is concerned with the construction of plane geometric figure like line, angle, triangle, square, polygon and circle. There are so many types of polygons as pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, etc. They are used to design the building construction. Now about engineering curves. It is used in construction of bridges, dams, water tanks, etc. There are so many types of engineering curves: conic, cycloids, involute, spirals, etc.
Hello friends, let me furthermore discuss the content and application of basic engineering drawing. In our future discussion, we will learn the projection of point, projection of line, projection of plane, orthographic projection and isometric projection. In projection of point, we will learn the method of finding the projection of single point in horizontal and vertical plane. In projection of line, we will learn the method of finding the projection of horizontal, vertical and inclined line in horizontal and vertical. Projection of plane, we will learn the method of finding the projection of this horizontal, vertical and inclined plane like triangle, pentagon, square, hexagon, heptagon in horizontal and vertical plane. While in orthographic projection, we will learn the method or techniques of finding the projection of an object which have an unequal shape in horizontal and vertical plane. While in isometric projection, we will learn the techniques of draw a 3D object by using this projection. So, we will meet you soon. Thank you.